What's going on, people? Mr. Marky from the Lace Check here. And with this unboxing we've got, we potentially might have Sneaker of the Year. But let's unbox and find out. So, we're back in the lab and we've got a special delivery here. Let's turn that around. You lot don't need to see my address. All right, so with this shoe, I'm a bit upset. This video's late because what I did is I thought I'd be smart and I thought I'd try to order this shoe before it came out in the UAE. Now, I ordered this, it should have got here a week before the drop in the UAE because I found it on StockX and it was a little early, but it came actually a week after the shoe dropped and everyone else got their pairs and I'm sitting down waiting for my pair, which was no good because I know everyone got it from the Good Life. They signed up and they got 15% off the shoe as well. So I thought I was getting it early and cheaper. I ended up getting it later and more expensive than everyone else, but what to do? It's the price you pay. But we're gonna unbox this box and see what it is. So yeah, like I said, I was super excited. I'm sure you guys know what it is from the thumbnail, but if you didn't really pay attention, let's unbox this and see. I want to make sure I don't scrape the box. I hate when that happens. Get rid of this knife. Try not to cut my fingers off. Okay, so you know what it is yet? Ooh, super excited for this one. Let's see what the condition's like as well, because this one took super long. So get rid of that box. Woo! Box is a bit destroyed here. Oh, we've got some weird stickers on the side. So as you can see, size 12. Don't know if you can see what the name is right there. But if you know this box, last one was flip-flopped. So let's open it and show you exactly what it is. The UNC Jordan 1 High Reimagined. If anyone knows me, I love this color. Oh, let's get rid of this first of all. Let's get rid of that because I don't want that. I'm one of these guys that run around with the StockX tag hanging off. That's weird behavior. So, all right, first of all, let's have a little play with the box because I've seen everybody do this online. As you can see, the box is distressed just like the Lost and Found, the Chicago's. You see there, all distressed. I'm not sure what that tag is on the side, but hope they haven't destroyed the box. I want to see if I can get that off. Yeah. Don't want anything that's not meant to be on the box, so let's peel that off. Hopefully it doesn't destroy the box, even though it's kind of like a distressed look. Perfecto. Just a bit worried there. So yeah, as you see, this is the Lost and Found Reimagined. The box is pretty much the same. I've got it down here actually. So it's literally just a reverse. So as everyone else has done, let's flip them around. I actually like it like this actually. Let's flip that one around. So yeah, there we go. This one doesn't have a price tag on it though. Oh, that's not fair. So you know this one on the original Reimagined with the Lost and Found, you've got a price tag here. But on this one, there's no price tag. I've seen some people's ones that have price tags though, so I need to double check. But yeah, got them. Let's flip them back for now, but I think I might keep them in the other way around. So the difference is with the Reimagined the UNCs, you've just got normal brown paper. Is there any goodies in here? No goodies whatsoever. But with the other Reimagined, you used to get this newspaper kind of with all the clippings from all the different Jordan ads and sales, like you see the ones that are on sale and that. But yeah, just pretty much a normal Jordan box, just a bit distressed. But yeah, this one was awesome. And I like the fact that they kind of flipped them both around. That's really a cool look. I like that. Actually, that could be a great thumbnail. All right, so let's drop these down and get to the main show. The Jordan 1 Reimagined. So like I said, this shoe is pretty cool. I like it. It's not as white as I thought it would be because it seems to be a lot more cracked leather. It's a lot more cracked. If I can hold it up to the camera for you, you can see it's a lot more cracked, even especially on the sides. If I put it here, I'm not sure if that's picking up on the camera, but it's a lot more cracked than the original Reimagined. But this colorway, the UNC colorway, I love this colorway. It's literally one of my favorite colorways. It's just a fresh summer kind of look. And the leather on these, woo. Yeah, the leather on the toe box is a lot softer than it was on the Reimagined. And also with the Reimagined, the Lost and Founds, sorry, I should say. With the Lost and Founds, I noticed that there was this weird kind of effect with the paint where it looked like it was over painted. I'm not sure if that was, actually I've got a pair here. Instead of trying to sit down and say it. So actually the leather's quite similar. It's quite a soft leather, but I don't know if you can see here on the toe box, it was kind of like really painted on the red. It looked like it would smudge off. It hasn't yet. I've worn these quite a bit. Actually still in good condition though, obviously with the lace check. I think this is a sail lace. But yeah, also I've noticed the yellowing on the UNC is a lot more than it is on the Reimagined. It's a lot more distressed. And I know a lot of people have kind of complained about that, but I'm not angry at that. I actually quite like it. Even if you look at the tongue is very, very yellow as well. But yeah, I kind of like it. Oh, I can see a bit of QC issues here. I've got to take a razor blade to here, some threads hanging out. But yeah, I kind of really, really like it. I've noticed even the sole has been distressed, which is pretty cool. It's a nice little touch. It looks like it's kind of oxidized. But yeah, these ones, yeah, I need to get these on feet. And what do they come with? I've noticed there's no goodies with these. What's going on with Jordan? Not giving us free laces anymore. That's all right, because you know I'm gonna flip them out with a lace check one anyway. But let's have a look at the insole. Yeah, the insole's not really just a normal basic insole. But there's not really any story behind this one. I really, really love the story with the Reimagined, with the Lost and Found. I keep calling them Reimagined Lost and Found. Really like the story with those, but they don't seem to have one with this one, which is a bit weird. But yeah, the yellowing, that's really, really sell. So I'm gonna definitely flip the lace to this color so it kind of fits in, because the lace that they come with, they're tied in a weird way as well. Tied like that, so they're kind of like a white lace. Oh, want to say a big shout out to Zinni as well, because as you can see, there's a pair up there. That was his pair where he said I could borrow them so I can film them until my pair comes, but then my pair came, so I said, you know what, let me just film them. And I just filled the gap because these will be living up there. But yeah, with these, I've really loved these. You've got like the nice white Wings logo on the side. It's got a weird bit of texture to it, but yeah, that's really nice. I just think this is a nice clean shoe for the summer. Something that you could just rock with a pair of jeans, pair of shorts, like a cream pair of shorts. Go nice with these actually. Cream pair of shorts, a blue I've got a grey pair of shorts on today, but I would have shown you a cream pair of shorts, grey t-shirt, a blue t-shirt. Nice little summer look. Well, in Dubai it's summer every day, so unfortunately not like you guys in London. But yeah, are these gonna be sneaker of the year? I don't know, because for me, the shoe of the year probably would be the Brick by Bricks. Obviously flip the lace check lace, there's a sail lace in there. But yeah, the Brick by Bricks, I haven't even worn these yet. I just wore them on foot in the video. Check the video, I'll put the video up here, just there. But yeah, the Brick by Bricks It's funny, I didn't like them at first, but they're a work of art. These are so nice. I haven't even, when I rock these, I'm gonna give some more video shots of them. But yeah, I don't think this is sneaker of the year. I know a lot of people would have preferred if it was like more like the OG where it was white on the medial side as opposed to being cracked. But I still think this is a good shoe. I didn't give it the, oh, smell that glue. Yeah, I don't know, the leather's really, really nice on these. They're not too soft, they're not too hard, they're just the right amount of flex on them. So yeah, this one, UNC, I think it's a must cop. I don't think there's many sizes left. I think someone put a post up in one of my WhatsApp groups today. But let me know if you cop these, if you like them, what laces you'd flip with them. I might even go for like a citrus. You don't get kind of the off-white vibes, that will be all right. All the off-white ones that are coming, the EU exclusives. Might have to see if I can cop those as well. But yeah, I'm a fan of these. I like these a lot. I like it a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna get some on feets with them for you so you can see different lace combinations and flips. And yeah, like I said, hit me up like we said before, we need you to start subscribing because I need to get my numbers up. We want to get you more content, more different types of content as well. I've got some vlogs that will be going up of when I was in Paris. Then I've got some vlogs, we had bread that was over here. We've got that coming up as well. So I'm trying out different types of content. Let me know in the comments what you prefer. If you prefer the longer videos, if you prefer me going to the stores and collecting the shoes, if you prefer like vlogs of me going around and trying to cop shoes, if you want me to go to different stores to check out shoes or check out the stores, let me know in the comments. And yeah, get to some of these on feet, but like, subscribe, please subscribe, work that algorithm so that more people can see the content. And yeah, we're gonna get the on feet now and see you next time. Mr. Marky from the Lace Check. Peace.